Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my May BoxyCharm Premium unboxing, and you will only see my hands in the video today, and I will explain why shortly. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and typically I am in the videos with makeup on. I do focus on makeup videos and would love for you to join the family. So please click the subscribe button down in the corner. Please join the family, and we're going to jump into the video. I will try to keep this as short as possible. So I know typically this is my Motivation Monday. I did miss last week. Unfortunately, I have had surgery on Tuesday and am still recovering. I will have another surgery this coming Tuesday as well as Friday, and then fingers crossed, praying that that will be the end of my surgeries, but I'm not able to wear makeup because of the surgeries for at least 2 to 3 weeks after this coming Tuesday, which is why I'm not in the video because I have nothing on. Let's focus on our BoxyCharm. So this is the premium box for the month of May, exactly how it has arrived to me. I am going to go ahead and open this up. You can see that this is the premium box right there, and let's pull out some of these things in the BoxyCharm. So beautiful. It says BoxyCharm Flourish. Oh, I have to get this in the right thing. BoxyCharm Flourish is the theme for this month. And so we're going to go ahead and jump right into the products. So the first product that I have here is this Too Faced Melted Eyeshadow. And I actually saw Emily Noel several months ago do a video about all of these melted eyeshadows. And so this is an innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula which delivers rich, intense, chocolate-scented matte color in skin-centric cocoa tones that can be worn alone for an airbrush finish or as a pigmented primer that locks down for 24 hours and is crease-proof. $21 is the MSRP. I have the color Amaretto. Cute little heart right there. I do like the packaging for Too Faced. I do think it's always super sweet and cute. We are going to go ahead and open this up if I can. Again, beautiful packaging right there. I like the sleek packaging. I like not the square, just a little bit geometric form. And again, I have the color Amaretto, so we're going to go ahead and open this up and swatch it real quick. So there it is swatched on my skin. I did look on the Too Faced website, and I did see someone with one single color, and I want to say it was Amaretto, and they literally just blurred out the edges, so it kind of faded on the eye, and it was a beautiful look. They had it alone. And I think that's gorgeous how you can kind of blend it out. Of course, a little goes a long way, as you can see, so only a very small dot on your eye when you are putting it on. You can always add more. It's much harder to take away. It does work as a good base. I would not blend it out as much if you're going to use it as a base. My eyes crease quite a bit, so I will be interested in testing this out when I'm actually allowed to wear makeup to see if it really is crease proof. I used my finger to blend it out, and already on my finger it is not transferring anymore, and so you can see it does dry down pretty quick. So if you're working with it on your eyes, you do need to be quick about it. I wouldn't say it smells like chocolate. It smells more like crayons to me, but that's my opinion. So super excited about that product. I have wanted to try it even when I saw Emily Noel use it. She did a beautiful eye look, and I really thought it was a great product. The next product in here is the Grown Alchemist Body Cream. My opinion here is I do think Grown Alchemist products are super overpriced. So this is a deeply hydrating body cream formulated with potent bioactive ingredients that noticeably nourish, moisturize, and soothe dry skin to visibly restore skin elasticity and suppleness. It is made with mandarin and rosemary leaf, so you will get a good bit of smell from it, and retail value is $26. This is not for your face, this is for your body. I will pull out the packaging. The packaging on Grown Alchemist is always gorgeous. It is those metal kind of old-timey tubes, medicine tubey looking ones that they use. I love this robin's egg tealy blue color in there. That's my dog sneezing that's somewhere over there. Woo! And I do love that it does all come sealed, and then you use the top of the lid just to push it in to open it up there. I will put a little bit out on this hand just so you can see, and so you see that it does have quite a bit of an orange cream color. Let's give this thing a whiff real quick. I don't smell much. I smell more rosemary than anything. I am going to go ahead and rub it in. That is nice and silky. It does not sink in very quickly. Oh, I do smell the rosemary then. Oh, that's beautiful. I really like the way rosemary smells, so I enjoy that. Some people do not like the rosemary scent as much. It did leave my skin looking fairly nice. It does feel nice and smooth. It is actually already soaked in, so I do like that. And I will try it on my whole body. I think that's pretty cool. There we go. So the Grown Alchemist. Next product that I have here is the Bite Beauty. This is the powder lip crayon. So Bite Beauty Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. A clean, high-performance matte lipstick for creamy, bold color that could keep up with you. Retail value is $26. I have it in this beautiful, beautiful color, but I'm not sure that I would ever wear that color. It's called Acai Smash. That is quite a color there. Let's go ahead and open it up and see if we can get what it looks like out. As always, love the packaging on Bite. They have redone all of their packaging, and I think it is super cool. It is kind of a powder matte finish with the color here as well as at the end. It is a twist up product, so you can see that. And that's the color. I will do just a little swatch right there. Wow, that is some boldness. So very bold color. It is nice and smooth as it goes on. It is supposed to be a matte formula, so I'd be curious to see how drying it is to the lips. So that'll be something that I'll definitely have to try out and let you guys know. I am going to give it a smell. And it doesn't really smell like much of anything. So there you go. The Bite in that Acai Smash. Next product I have in here, I believe, is from Haus, but let's make sure. It is the Haus Laboratories eyeshadow palette. And I want to make sure I don't blind you guys. So this is the Glam Room palette #1 in Fame. It says, unlock your fame in this new palette with 10 matte, metallic, shimmer, and sparkle finishes made to perform on every skin tone. This universal eyeshadow palette gives you the power to play up every persona. Silky smooth, blendable shades range from warm pale peach and rose gold to cool plums and deep black for an ensemble of colors ready to envelope you in a new identity each time you want to reinvent yourself. Retail value $34. We are going to go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like on the inside. Very nice packaging. It is a flat matte color. There is the Haus Laboratories logo. Glam Room #1 is on here, which I do appreciate. The colors and their names are actually on the back there. It's kind of a chocolate brown gray case. And so there are the colors inside. That looks like a true black. There is a dent out of this one already. I'm not sure why. It looks like somebody's finger went in it, and that's a little iffy. Let's go ahead and swatch some of these. So I'm going to swatch this purple one because I know purples sometimes are hard to do. That looks more gray. Oh, sorry, I don't even have it in the picture. I apologize. That looks more gray purple, almost a brown color than as purple as it is on the pan. It definitely doesn't translate like that, but I don't know if it's more of a duochrome. We'll do this light purple next to it. Again, more of a rose gold than a purple. Again, I did just have surgery on my eyes, so I'm hope that I'm telling you the correct colors. If I'm not, correct me in the comments. We are going to do the flat black here and just see what it looks like, and that is very pigmented. It was nice and smooth. I would like to do this kind of a cream color and see with the one somebody's finger took out of it. There's that swatch, and we are going to do one more, this beautiful kind of metallic-y color in that gold. Well, that is not as much payoff as I expected. So hardly any, but that is more of a duochrome color right there. You can see that it kind of comes off a little pink and gold. That one you might have to build up quite a bit because you can hardly see it on there. That's the black from my finger, sorry. So there are the colors from that palette, that #1 Fame palette. Be definitely interested to try that. Next product that we have in here are actually the LaRousse, and these look like they're brushes. I've gotten black shadow on it already. Nice. On the go set. Get ready to cover all the basics with this set. The 3-piece set comes with a dense domed brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlight or... I don't know why my camera just stopped recording, but my comment was, this is $95 for 3 brushes. What in the world is that? The packaging is pretty, but it is just like a paper envelope with a seal right there. It is a sticker, not anything amazing. And here are the 3 brushes. Let's pull these $95 brushes out of here. So here is the first one. They do have a raised pattern all over the brush handle. The brushes are nice and silky smooth. I do have to say that. They are really very pretty. So this is the highlighter or the blush brush. Here is the Kabuki brush, which is more of a flat topped. They said either for foundation or for contour. That one is actually really nice. It's a pretty soft brush, but it is pretty dense if you like putting foundation on with a brush. And then the last one in here is the angled brush, which is the tiniest angled brush ever, but I kind of like that. This one does also, although it is much smaller in scale, have that texture all over the brush, and here is that tiny angle. I do really like that, but it's not quite stiff enough for me. Sorry, you can't even see that with the other brushes on the way. As soon as you push down, that brush flattens out right away. I don't think I would like this for eyebrows because it's not quite stiff enough, but maybe for eyeliner it would be good. So there is that $95 brush set. That's a little bit much for me. Okay, and the last product that I have in here is the Vitamin C Brighten and Glow Facial Masks from Rail Beauty. And so this says it is a radiance enhancing face mask that visibly brightens and revitalizes the look of your skin. Crafted from the softest, silkiest bamboo yarn and soaked in skin brightening serum, it's designed to bring out all your skin's natural luminous glow. Retail value $15, and it looks like there are 5 sheets in here. It does say that it is free of parabens, mineral oils, artificial fragrance, artificial dye, PEG, phthalates, silicone, benzoprene, I can't read that one, and talc. So definitely free of all the big products that you have. It does say leave on 10 minutes, and I do really appreciate that this is a bamboo based product for your face mask component, because it will break down a little bit easier than some of those other sheet masks. I can't get this open to show you what the product looks like, sorry. It does say that it has pomegranate, fig, and citrus extract, so please be careful if you're allergic to any of those or sensitive. Sometimes people are really sensitive to citrus. Do not use it, but there is the mask. It is beautiful on the mask as well with the directions. So that'll be interesting to try. This will be something I'll have to wait quite a while to try out. So that is my BoxyCharm Premium Box for the month of May. I understand that we got quite a few products that are named, like the house is beautiful. Here is the Too Faced chocolate matte, which is very nice. We have the Alchemist. We do have that Bite lipstick. We have the brushes and all of those things. But and retail wise, we do get the money back from it. But for me, I am more of a makeup product girl versus so much skincare here. So out of my 6 products, 1, 2, 3 of them, I'm kind of on. These 3 absolutely will, I'll try them all, but I would have rather had more makeup than so much skincare kind of things. But that's just my opinion here. Give me a second, let me add up how much we actually got in value. So after adding everything up, $218 is how much this box is worth, based on retail value there. I am not sure what I think about that. That seems on the lower end for some of the premium boxes that I've had. What do you guys think about your premium box? Did you really like it? I know there were lots of variations this time and quite a few more makeup products in some of the other boxes. Drop me a line, let me know what you think about your box, what you think about my box, and I will update you as soon as I can wear makeup on some of these items and what I actually think about them. Thank you so much for joining me. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!